Wood art and craft projects can be both delightful and practical, offering endless possibilities for creative expression. Here are some simple and small wood project ideas that you can explore for your YouTube videos. One popular idea is creating personalized wooden coasters. You can start with simple square or round wooden coasters and use a wood-burning tool to add designs, names, or initials. This project is easy to customize and makes a great gift. Another straightforward project is making wooden keychains. Use small pieces of wood, such as leftover scraps or wooden discs, and attach keychain rings. You can decorate these with paint, wood burning, or even small decals. They are simple to make and perfect for personalized gifts. Wooden bookmarks are another easy project. Cut thin strips of wood and sand them smooth. You can then decorate them with paint, stamps, or wood-burning designs. Adding a tassel or ribbon can also enhance their appeal. If you're looking for something functional, consider making wooden phone stands. Cut a small piece of wood and create a notch to hold a phone at a comfortable viewing angle. Sand it down for a smooth finish and you can add a personal touch with paint or carvings. Miniature wooden trays are also an excellent project. Use small pieces of wood to create a simple tray, which can be used for holding jewelry, small items, or as a decorative piece. You can stain or paint the wood and add handles for a more polished look. Wooden magnets are easy and fun to make. Cut small shapes from wood, sand them smooth, and attach magnets to the back. You can decorate the front with paint, stickers, or even small pieces of decorative paper. A simple yet elegant project is creating wooden wall art. Use a piece of wood as a canvas and paint or woodburn a design onto it. This can be a motivational quote, an abstract design, or a nature scene. Hang it up as a decorative piece in your home. Wooden plant holders are another practical project. Use small blocks of wood to create a base, then add a small pot or container for plants. You can decorate the wood with paint or wood burning for a personalized touch. Wooden picture frames are a classic and easy project. Cut and assemble pieces of wood to create a frame that fits your photo. You can paint or stain the frame and add embellishments to match your decor. Decorative wooden boxes are great for storing small items. You can create a simple box using thin wood panels and hinges. Decorate the box with paint, decoupage, or carvings to make it unique. Wooden jewelry holders are both functional and attractive. Create a small stand or rack to hang jewelry, such as necklaces or bracelets. Decorate the holder with paint or stain to match your style. For a quick and easy project, consider making wooden ornaments. Use small pieces of wood to create shapes like stars, hearts, or animals. Decorate them with paint, glitter, or carvings, and add a string for hanging. Wooden nameplates are a thoughtful project for personalizing a space. Cut a piece of wood into a nameplate shape and paint or woodburn names or messages onto it. This can be used for doors, desks, or as gifts. If you're interested in a project for children, wooden puzzles are a great choice. Cut out simple shapes from wood and paint them in bright colors. You can create puzzles with different themes, such as animals or vehicles. Wooden trivets are both functional and decorative. Create a simple trivet by cutting and arranging pieces of wood into a geometric pattern. Sand and finish the wood for a smooth surface that can withstand heat. A small wooden toolbox is a practical project for organizing small tools or craft supplies. Cut and assemble pieces of wood into a compact toolbox design. Paint or stain it to add a personal touch. For a touch of rustic charm, consider making wooden candle holders. Use small blocks of wood and drill holes to fit tea light candles. Decorate the wood with paint, stain, or natural finishes. Wooden desk organizers are both useful and stylish. Create small compartments and holders to keep pens, paper clips, and other office supplies organized. Paint or stain the organizer to match your desk decor. Wooden wall hooks are practical and easy to make. Cut pieces of wood into shapes, attach hooks to them, and mount them on the wall. You can paint or decorate the wood to match your home's interior. For a quick and easy project, consider making wooden magnets. Cut small wooden shapes, paint or decorate them, and attach a magnet to the back. These make great gifts or fun fridge decorations. Wooden jewelry boxes are another project that combines functionality with style. Create a small box with compartments for storing jewelry. Decorate it with paint, stain, or wood-burning designs for a personalized touch. Wooden shelves are a practical project that can also be a statement piece in your home. Use small wooden boards to create floating shelves, and decorate or paint them to fit your decor style. Finally, wooden plant markers are an easy project for gardeners. Cut small pieces of wood into markers and write plant names on them. Paint or decorate them to make them both functional and visually appealing. These simple wood art and craft ideas are perfect for beginners and can be customized to fit any style or need. Each project allows for creative expression and can be completed in a relatively short amount of time. Whether you're making gifts, home decor, or functional items, working with wood provides a satisfying and enjoyable crafting experience.